What's up, you guys? Hey, welcome back to my channel. I'm back with another fashion finesse. This is going to be a super easy tutorial. My mom got me this top and I don't really wear it anymore, but I didn't really just want to throw it away. So, I have to finesse it into something that I could actually wear that was more my style. Anyway, let's just jump right into the video. The first thing that I did was try it on and mark where I was going to make my cut. Once you figure out where you're going to make your cut, because you need a top and a bottom, you just want to fold it in half and make sure it's even so you can get like an even cut on both sides. So just cut straight across. Once you cut, I'm actually making a one shoulder top. So I am going to just use the neckline and take my rotary cutter and kind of cut at a curve and then straight out, okay? So you should really have something like this. And then I am just going to cut straight up because I don't need that other sleeve. So I'm just going to cut that off like this, okay? And once you cut it, you just want to try it on and measure where you want to sew because this was way too big. So I just pin all the way down. And then I am just going to take it to my sewing machine and do a straight stitch like I'm doing right now, okay? So yeah, I'm just doing a straight stitch all the way down. And once you do the straight stitch, I recommend to go back in and do a zigzag stitch. So go ahead and cut the extra fabric once you finish sewing, like I'm doing right now. And then I'm gonna go back in and do a zigzag stitch. Just helps it have a more clean finished look, keeps it from fraying and coming apart. You definitely want to do this part, especially the zigzag stitch. The more stitches you add, the more secure it's gonna be, okay? And this material was like fraying a lot, so I kind of had to do, a lot of stitches to make sure it was secure, okay? So once you sew the side, you're basically done with the top, okay? And now I am just going to do a zigzag stitch. Okay, so I'm doing a zigzag stitch around the top hem part of my shirt and also around the bottom part. So for the top part, I'm not really pulling it, and I'm just gonna go through, but for the bottom part, as I go do my zigzag stitch, I'm slightly pulling the fabric so it could have more of a stretch to it. I didn't really want to stretch the top hem part, like the neck part, because you don't want that to be too stretchy. But the bottom part, I was stretching as I was doing a zigzag stitch. So that is how it turned out. Hopefully I made sense because I feel like I was talking a little too much. But anyway, that is how it turned out. And basically you're done. So for the skirt, I just flipped it upside down. I was using the bottom part as the top. Okay, and then I took a skirt that fits the way I like. You just want to lay it on there and cut. Okay, once you cut your skirt, you're just gonna pin the sides, and you're gonna just repeat the same thing, doing a straight stitch and then going back in and doing a zigzag stitch, okay? And that is how the hem looks, okay? I did the same thing to my top, so I didn't really film that part. Very self-explanatory. Okay, for the bottom, I wanted to do the lettuce hem also on the skirt. So I'm doing a zigzag stitch and I'm lightly pulling as I sew. That is what makes it lettucey. Whatever, that's what makes the lettuce when you slightly pull as you sew. So that is how the bottom of the skirt look, and boom. So this was the neck part. I just had so much fabric left and I didn't want to like throw it away, so I tried it on and I decided to take it in. I wanted the lace part to be in the front, so I'm just gonna pin and sew the back. And then you should have something like this, something more fitting. And I kind of wanted to, add a little flavor to it. So I decided to just cut at an angle, like I'm doing with my scissors, and boom, added the lettuce hem, doing a zigzag stitch around it, and that is how it turned out. Okay, and I'm basically done, you guys. And this is the before. A mess, not really my style. And boom, the after, the one shoulder with the lettuce hem. I thought it was super cute and simple, you guys. This is like an easy tutorial. You could do this to any of your top, any old top that you have that you want to transform. I thrifted this little purse for like $1 at the thrift store, and I thought it was so cute to pair it with this. Okay, so for you can make another look. So I'm just taking a piece of scrap fabric from the material that I had left over, and I'm literally just tying a knot in the front and then just tucking the extra little pieces that are hanging out, and then boom, you guys, you have another look. Okay, This was actually one of my favorite. You know, it was super simple and sexy, and I liked it. This was my New Year's outfit, okay? And like I said, all you had to do is tie the little string in the front, and you have a whole nother look, okay? And of course, I paired with my little black purse that I got for $1. Super cute. Okay, guys, so this is how the last look turned out. I don't really know how I feel about this, but I did not want to waste any fabric, and I had the neck part left, so I decided, you know, do a little something with it. Let me know what you guys think. Comment below and tell me which look was your favorite. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. I'll see you guys next time. Peace.